Welcome to this What's New in 2020 series. I'm Miles Brining and I'm going to be taking you through the updates for SOLIDWORKS Composer 2020. Eliminating waste is common practice to increase the value of your processes. When cutting precious metals, OMAX provides the 715 MaxJet nozzle to reduce waste material by making narrower cuts. Like OMAX, SOLIDWORKS continues to reduce waste in your processes with the release of SOLIDWORKS Composer 2020. The CAD model of the MaxJet nozzle contains multiple named and exploded views necessary to document the design. With SOLIDWORKS Composer 2020, all of these views are now included when you open the model, so you don't waste time recreating them. This makes it quick and easy to create a custom exploded animation with SOLIDWORKS Composer, and with 2020 you can now save the animation to additional popular formats like MP4. Even though animations can be a big impact on your audience, still images are still necessary. SOLIDWORKS Composer 2020 now provides the option to publish a 360-degree view of your model in a series of raster or vector images. This makes it faster than ever to publish images where multiple view angles are needed or when reviewing image options with other stakeholders. SOLIDWORKS Composer 2020 helps you eliminate waste in your model processes by leveraging more information from your CAD models and automating content publishing tasks. In summary, SOLIDWORKS Composer can now reuse named and exploded views. You can now export to MP4, FLV and MKV file formats. You can also create 360-degree raster and vector file images. SOLIDWORKS Composer 2020. Eliminate waste creating technical publications.